Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what T-Mobile Scam Shield is. T-Mobile Scam Shield is a suite of tools designed to help protect users from scams, spam, and unwanted calls. First, it automatically identifies and blocks known scam calls. If a call is suspected to be a scam, it either gets blocked completely or show up on your screen as a scam likely. Then it gives you the option to turn on full scam call blocking so the calls never even ring your phone. Next, Scam Shield includes a feature called Caller ID, which shows the name of who's calling, even if they're not in your contacts, helping you avoid answering unknown numbers. You also get a dedicated Scam Shield app. From there, you can customize settings, report numbers, block specific callers, and view a log of blocked calls. Lastly, if you're worried about your number being targeted, you can get a free second number called a Proxy number through the app to keep your personal number private when needed. Overall, T-Mobile Scam Shield helps reduce annoying calls, gives you more control over who can reach you. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.